Well, hello everyone. Today I want to show you how we're going to make like a 3D landscape where it can kind of stand up. You can put them on tables or like on your fireplace. They look really beautiful. So I'll have 3 colors of paper. This is how we're going to start. This will be at the front table. I'll have white if you want to do snowy. Blue I think kind of looks really pretty for a snow color too. Or if you want it to be green because you want to do grass. Since sometimes in Minnesota we don't have snow all the time, right? So what you're going to do is first draw how you want your land to be. So let's see, I'll work on the white because I think it's easier for you all to see in my video. So I'm just going to do like some rolling hills. So I'm just going to draw the line first, and then I'm going to cut it out. So cut this out. It doesn't have to be perfect because you can always erase it. And I'll have my example done because I'll finish this one for you guys, so I'll be able to show you it too. All right, so now I have got my paper like this. Now what you're going to do is I'm gonna fold it into thirds, but you could do fourths. Maybe, let's see, I wanna do thirds because I don't want it to get too small. So I'm gonna fold it in towards the center, and then I'm gonna fold this side. So it's kind of like I'm giving the paper a hug, okay? And it doesn't really matter where you fold it, but then I'm gonna bend, let's see, this one backwards. I'm gonna go on that crease that I made, and then bend it backwards, like that. So it kind of, from the top, it's going to look like, almost like a letter Z, okay? And then on each layer, I'm gonna start to glue some like homes, some different like maybe a little ice rink on here, all these kind of fun stuff, okay? And then when you have this out on your shelf, it looks like this 3D kind of scene popping out at you. So I'm gonna start to make some, I have big paper up front, so if you wanna make like some bigger homes, but don't make your stuff too big. I'm gonna warn you guys, don't make all of your like houses and things. If you do glue things on here, glue stuff kind of close to the bottom, okay? It's kind of a physics assignment because you have to think about the weight. And so if your stuff that you glue onto this zigzag piece of paper, if it gets too heavy, then it's going to tip, okay? So let's say, how about I just cut, I'll just cut some sort of rectangle here for a house just to kind of give you guys an example. Let me use some scraps. Scrap bins will also be at your table. So I'm gonna do a little roof on there and attach that on there. I just wanna do something really quick to show you guys. I don't wanna take up all your time because I want you guys to have plenty of time to make these today so you can take them home. But now I've made a house, and now you could glue it on the front if you want, or you could put it in the back like it's kind of far off in the distance. It's up to you how you want to do it. I think this one I'm going to glue onto the front. So let me put a little bit of glue on the bottom, and then maybe I'll attach it towards the end. Okay, and then I'm going to use some of these scraps to add windows and doors and things like that. Maybe on this middle part over here, I think I'm going to do some trees. So I'm going to cut out like some little pine trees. I should draw them first. That really helps me. I think I would recommend that today, to draw your stuff first with a pencil and then cut it. Because I know sometimes when I just start to cut into paper, then I'm like, oh, I'm making mistakes. And then I have to throw it away and start over. So, okay, here's my little pine tree. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of pine trees, like a variety of sizes. And maybe just some tree trunks, like the leaves have all fallen. Okay, so, oh, I should put maybe the tree over by the house. That will be cute. Maybe I'll do like a snowman, like the kids have come outside and build a snowman. You could also put people on here, like make little people having a snowball fight or something, little kids out there. I might do an ice rink, I think, in the middle and make little figure skaters out there. And then I'm gonna put on a chimney. And I'm gonna bring in some cotton and stuff for you guys if you wanna put like a chimney on there with smoke coming out, okay? All right, you guys have fun with this. I can't wait to see yours.